Hello aspirants. So do you know that the parliament cannot amend certain provisions of the constitution? Now you must be thinking why? So the reason is the basic structure doctrine. This basic structure doctrine was given by the Supreme Court of India in 1973 Keshwanand Bharti case. Now you must be thinking that what exactly the basic structure is. So lame words में अगर हम बोलेंगे तो basic structure क्या है? Basic structure Constitution के वो basic principles हैं या हम कह सकते हैं वो basic ethos हैं Constitution के जिनके basis के ऊपर वो Constitution बना है. For example, your fundamental rights, the rule of law, federalism, secularism. So all of these things are included in what? Basic structure of the constitution. And the Supreme Court says that it will time to time notify that what all things can be included in the basic structure of the constitution. क्या basic structure कहीं defined है? Is it defined anywhere? The answer is no. It has not been defined anywhere, neither in the constitution nor in any other of the acts. But the Supreme Court says that it will notify you people that what things are to be included in the basic structure of the constitution. Supreme Court क्या कहता है कि पार्लियामेंट जो है वो हर एक चीज को अमेंड कर सकती है, लेकिन वो जो भी अमेंडमेंट करेगी that should not violate what? The basic structure of the constitution, the basic principles on which our constitution, on which our country was found. So this is what? This is the basic structure. And if the government do so, if the parliament makes such laws, then the Supreme Court, it can anytime declare those laws as unconstitutional and void. So this was all about the basic structure of the constitution. We'll meet again in the next video with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.